Welcome back to an Ohio Country Today. With me is Roger Gilbert, associate, colleague of mine in the life insurance and financial services industry. And today we want to talk about life insurance, September being Life Insurance Awareness Month. And we want to talk about the values of life insurance. You know, Roger, many people think that life insurance only has a death benefit, and that's not necessarily true.
No, that's absolutely not true. There's so many benefits to life insurance. There's accelerated benefit riders where you can draw part of the face value out if something catastrophic happens in your life. There's loan provisions for it. There's loans that you can sign it over to secure the loan. There's critical illness riders where you can, if something happens to you or your wife, if you're covered, you can draw part of the face value out and help you through those traumatic times. You can borrow the money out of it. You can actually withdraw money. So there's just a lot of living benefits to life insurance.
Well, it's always been a passion of mine and yours as well. I know that that life insurance helps so many people, and if you died tomorrow, would your family, would your kids have enough money to go to college? And that's really a huge benefit for life insurance as well.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And when I sit down with families and talk to them, I try to ask that in an easy way. I say, if this chair were empty, what would you want to have happen here? And it's amazing when you get the family actually looking at it and talking about it, the things that come up, and those are the things that we want to make sure are covered for you, so that the plan that you wanted to have happen happens.
You know, we talked about the death benefit early on while you have a family, or maybe you have a loan, or you have a mortgage. With the current environment that we see is taxation. A lot of people are going to have, especially many of our farmers and business owners, are going to have estate tax problems because of the reduction in the deduction that you're going to be able to take on your estate tax return.
Yeah, starting next year in 2013, that deduction is really going to start affecting people. The larger your estate, the more you're going to be paying out in taxes, and life insurance is one of the only vehicles that can protect your estate. The reason for life insurance is either to create an estate or to protect an estate. And for pennies on the dollar, you can protect your estate with a good life insurance program.
Many times, to me, there's always two phases to life insurance, and you use it in both stages of your life, during your accumulation and during your distribution phase.
That's very true. And life insurance. There's different types of life insurance plans, and there's different reasons for having those plans. There's term that covers debt because debt doesn't last forever, and then there's permanent because you want it throughout your life. And so there's always depending on the need in your life, there's different types of life insurance that will cover that need.
So, what Roger and I recommend that you do is seek out a professional for life insurance and or financial services to help solve the problems that life might present. Roger, thanks for being with us.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
We'll be back with more in Ohio Country Today right after this.